Okay mo. Ano ba naman yan, Chewy? Beginner ka, walang experience, paano nga ba makaland agad ng clients? Saglit lang, may sagot dyan. So, kung gusto mo na talagang mag-work from home, baka Blocky Mary Top VIP 1-year all-access pass na ang kailangan mo. Tinatanong din kasi dito ni It's Memarbs. Pag VIP classes po ba may kasama ng internship with cancer? Yes, meron na. By the way, hello nga pala sa mga career shifters, mga walang experience at naghahanap na ng work from home training dyan. My name is Mary. And if aspiring virtual assistant ka, I got you, Mommy Chu. Let me share with you how Top VIP All Access Pass ng Blog Mary Group Mentorship can help you finally start your work from home journey. Lalong-lalo na kung say burnout ka na sa 9 to 5 mo, wala ka ng oras para sa sarili mo or para sa pamilya, lagi kang stuck sa traffic, tapos hindi mo pa na-feel yung growth mo sa current job mo, we have a training plus mentorship plus support program called Top VIP 1-year All Access Pass. Basically, sa loob, you will learn virtual assistants, paano manage ng email schedules, lahat ng general admin tasks. If you want to service executives, if you want to service different industries, kasama yan. We also have social media management, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, nandyan. SEO, we have media buying, we have real estate, lahat na kumpleto. Bakit nga ba ang VIP Pass is like a game changer? Number one, of course, is live class siya. Plus, magkakaroon ka pa ng access sa mga training materials. So, yung sinasabi na lifetime access, we have that. As long as we have the website, as long as nandyan yung recording, may access ka. We also have group mentorship, community support para hindi ka feeling alone, actual practice through internship, which is yung nga yung tinatanong kanina, will also help you with your resume, interview, and portfolio guidance. So, all in one package na all for the price of 1,999 na good for 1 year na. So, hindi lang siya training, hindi lang siya mentorship, hindi lang siya internship. Forget about what you know about typical trainings. This is different. Kung gusto mong i-fast forward ang freelancing journey mo at join the Top VIP All Access Pass, all you have to do is click the link in my bio, right under live mentorship, nandun na, 1,999 Top VIP All Access Pass. I-click nyo lang yun and it will open the form for you. Start now. Don't wait. Huwag ka na magpahuli. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!